Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Right now we're looking at a 2016 GMC Arcadia Denali. Customer called and said that they noticed that the engine was revving and the car wasn't really moving or going anywhere. They were driving it, pulled into the grocery store, parked, came back out, and then it didn't have reverse. Brought it in, scanned it, noticed it had a couple of codes for some transmission actuators, talked to our local rebuilder, verified that in fact the transmission had failed. Advised the customer that it was going to need to have a rebuilt trans put in it. They said, yeah, go ahead and do it. Taking it for a test drive, making sure everything is good to go. So if you have a vehicle that seems like it's not really accelerating correctly, or all of a sudden it won't go into drive or reverse, you're not quite sure why, we do offer free inspections. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.